like to call Mr. Pankaj Sonagar to deliver a valedictory speech.
Good afternoon, everybody. Actually, I'm honored, and many of you would know that I'm here for the second time. So I really appreciate that you're bearing with me for the second time. Okay? And end of the day, 1.5 years strong lecture on all HR concepts, so I can appreciate your bearing capacity would have drastically come down, right? तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि इसको बहुत लाइट करूं, as much as लाइट करूं, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं बनाया. So let me try. Feel free to stop. Feel free कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. Feel free कि enough. You're allowed to go on a Facebook, WhatsApp, update your status. बहुत बोर हो रहा है. Because you know, as much as I know, boys and girls of your age, आप लोगों की रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के बीच में फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप आता है, तो बंद हो रहा है ना, यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग सबको कहना, you know, it is very interesting. मैं एक दिन एक फ्लाइट से बेंगलोर जा रहा था और सुबह का टाइम था. It was 6:30 and we landed in Bangalore. When a very young girl was sitting next to me, वो जैसे ही प्लेन लैंड हुआ, उन्होंने भी ये भी नहीं बोला था मोबाइल चालू करो, and then she reached to her mobile and then suddenly she did something on her Facebook. So I said, what you did? I mean, what's the hurry, right? So I said, why do you do this? So she looked at me for 1 second, 30 seconds, and said, you won't get it. I won't get it. So I don't go into that area at all, okay? आप लोगों ने बहुत ये सुना होगा, innovation, you know, leadership development and all those things. And as the word go, the valedictory function. So मेरे को मालूम ही नहीं था valedictory क्या होगा. So I went on Google, I went on Wiki, and then सबने यही लिखा था कि जब farewell होगी तो students valedictory function देते हैं. So I was not able to relate. So I said चलो whatever I know I will take, right? So कोशिश करेंगे कि interactive रहे, so that मैं भी बोर नहीं हूँ, आप भी बोर नहीं हो, and then nothing is ultimate truth except for my last 3 points, which I'm sure you won't like it. So, but that's it. Okay. So let me go to the next slide. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to give my perspective, and you try to see this perspective from 2 angles. Okay. The first is as a HR professional, right? So many of you will start your career as a HR professional. तो देखो कि HR professional के हिसाब से इसका क्या मीनिंग निकलता है, क्या मतलब निकलता है, क्या हम देख सकते हैं. दूसरा ये कि आप खुद भी एक ह्यूमन रिसोर्स हो, राइट? सो इट इज एंटायरली डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. आप खुद भी ह्यूमन रिसोर्स हो, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए, और एज ए HR प्रोफेशनल आपको क्या पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है. सो प्लीज लुक एट थिंग्स फ्रॉम द 2 पर्सपेक्टिव. मैं जो भी कुछ बोलूंगा, बिकॉज यू आर आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन कैपिटल योरसेल्फ. Okay, don't forget that, and we'll keep discussing. Okay, fair? Don't worry, you are allowed to talk with each other, so absolutely okay. Okay, next slide. I was just thinking, I read, I keep reading, and I read one very interesting thing from a Ramcharan's book, and what he said was, इसने क्या किया, ये बंदे ना जो किताबें लिखते हैं बड़े खतरनाक होते हैं. इनको जब तक डाटा माइन नहीं करते तब तक खाना ही नहीं बनता. ये सुबह से शाम नेट पे जाके डाटा इकट्ठा करते रहते हैं. So what he did is he collected a very interesting data. He said in 1940s and 60s किसी कंपनी लाइक DuPont और GE ने जितना इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, से सपोज 100 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, राइट? और उनका रेवेन्यू हो गया 10,000 करोड़. सो 100 करोड़ हमने पैसा लगाया, उसका रेवेन्यू हो गया 10,000 करोड़. फिर 90s, लेट 90s में क्या हुआ, किसी ने 10 करोड़ लगाया, उसका रेवेन्यू हो गया 10,000 करोड़. लाइक गूगल, फेसबुक, यू नो. सो देन इट मेड हिम थिंकिंग कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, व्हाई इट इज लाइक दैट. क्योंकि किसी जमाने में लेट 80s, 90s, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एसेट वाज पैसा, राइट? इंडिया जब इंडिपेंडेंट हुई तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एसेट क्या था, पैसा. अगर मेरे पास पैसा है तो आई कैन पुट अप द मशीन and I can start a factory and that will give me the revenue. Simple. But what happened now? Things have completely changed. Facebook was started when he was a student. What paisa we are talking about? So then the question is that what is that different thing which was making difference in the business, and why the business structures change already? So then Ramcharan tells कि यार human capital एक नई चीज निकल गया है. पहले human resource था, फिर human capital था. You know all this management, excuse me all professors, but they keep creating jargons. Human capital. You know थोड़ी complex लगती है. हाँ capital है human capital. So then what the research was done is that in 21st century, it's not only the asset, it's not only the पैसा जिससे कि machine, office, computers भेज सकते हैं. But more critical is the human capital, right? And the CG was completely shifting. CG का मतलब समझते हैं center of gravity. Center of gravity shift होती तो आदमी गिर जाता है, right? वो सब लोग बोलना है कि leaning tower of Pisa will fall the moment the CG उसकी base से बाहर आ जाएगी. I hope it doesn't happen, but that one is predicted, right? So the center of gravity is definitely shifting. So नए businesses में क्या हो रहा है कि सिर्फ पैसे से काम नहीं बनता. आप सिर्फ लाला हो, आपके पास पैसा है तो वो डेफिनेटली किसी एक ब्रेनी इंसान के पास जाएगा या कोई प्रोजेक्ट पता पैसा लगाना है, राइट? बट दैट ब्रेनी इंसान becomes very important and hence the human capital becomes very important. Okay, so now we are having a very different perspective of the human beings itself because now we have become capital. We have become very important for business. We have become very important for economy. You know, सबको बहुत बुरा लगता है कि what business we are talking about. We are talking about democracy, equality and all this kind of thing. But unfortunately, without the economic growth, nothing happens. That's also equal fact, ना? अगर business ही नहीं आएगा तो what will happen? Nothing will happen. No equality will come. So this has become very, very important, and hence everyone started looking at this human capital. So if you are a human resource professional, you have to see from two perspectives. In the companies which you are going to work, your human capital is extremely important, right? So, like Nidhi said, there are lots and lots of things which we need to take care of. And the second, are you a human capital? Are you a part of that human capital? Because if you are not, then it's very difficult for you. You know, because any business, anything, the capital is extremely important, right? So now let's look at a little bit that what is human capital. Can you go to the next slide? Human capital is definitely not a group of qualified people. That's for sure, right? Who cares, yaar? कहाँ से degree की क्या किया? Who cares? If you are giving the output, you are worth something. You know, Mark Zuckerberg did not even qualify the degree, right? Have you heard of Steve Jobs' commencement speech on Stanford?
Yes, sir.
Very interesting. It starts with that it is irony that I never completed a graduation. So definitely, and he was a big human capital, right? So it's definitely not a group of qualified people. So it's a good news, bad news both. So your degrees are not going to make you human capital, okay? So be aware of that. Can you go to the next thing? So what is human capital? This is purely my definition. It could be very wrong. मैं आज Wikipedia में load कर दूँगा, so everyone will see that oh, human capital definition is this. You know, Wikipedia. That's the way Wikipedia is made, right? So, competent group of motivated, innovative, aligned, committed for common goal. I didn't know any more adjectives. Otherwise मैं वो भी लगा देता. ठीक है? But let's try to make a meaning of it. Competent. Now, what is the difference between competent and qualified? कोई बता सकता है competency क्या होगी? Competent और qualified क्या होगी? Come on यार. नहीं बिल्कुल बेसिक बताओ यार. Fundamental. You know कुछ बोलते हैं बात बहुत करता है काम कुछ नहीं करता यार. That's a competent. ये लोग पढ़ा लिखा बहुत है, बड़े अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट से निकला है, बाकी आधा ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है इसको. That is the difference between qualification and competence. Competence, you have to end of the day deliver the value on the table. If you are not able to deliver the value on the table, your qualification has no meaning. That is competent, right? Motivated. Motivated ही नहीं है, सुबह आता हूँ मेरा काम करने का मूड नहीं कर रहा है. You know, कोई काम का नहीं तेरा competence, right? So this is motivated. You have to be innovative, and I will come to that. कि why you have to be innovative? Okay, I will just touch that base on that. Aligned and committed. You know, ऐसा बोलते हैं. मैं जापान में ट्रेनिंग के लिए गया था तो वो इतना बढ़िया ग्रुप में काम करते हैं यार. So we were wondering कि ऐसा क्या होता है. So there was a proverb that time that one Indian is equal to 3 Japanese but 3 Indians are equal to less than a 1 Japanese. Because we are not aligned. We are analysis paralysis. You keep arguing, नहीं ऐसा हो सकता है, वैसा हो सकता है, तूने ऐसा बोला तो मैंने ऐसा बोला. But they will not be aligned. They will not be aligned at all. Right? So you need to be aligned. Because end of the day, business is business. There's an input-output, You have to bring value on the table. Then only it works. Committed. Excellent. Valentine Day पे कोई ऑफिस में नहीं आया. Committed ही नहीं है. And it's a fact of life, guys. Please get geared up. That you will have to do trade-off. You will have to do sacrifices. मैं भी हमारे टीम को बहुत quality of life, work-life balance के लिए बात करता हूँ, पर फिर 7 बजे फोन करके बोलता हूँ कल सुबह कर देना यहाँ पूरा. Unfortunately, it's a fact of life. So you have to be committed for your role. You have to be committed for your job. And once you do few of these things, you are actually human capital. And then you will bring the difference for yourself, your family, and the organization you work for. Simple. Simple human capital. And trust me, the most important piece of the business today, tomorrow, day after would be the human capital. And that's why HR is so important nowadays. It's more important than any other time before. Okay? Got perspective of human capital? Confused or okay. Sure, next. Now, Nidhi touched few things, and it has always been my very, very close to my heart. See, what happened is, because you are born in the year you are born, there are some good news, there is some bad news. The good news is the future is going to be awesome, absolutely awesome, and especially for emerging countries like India, great. Last time also I shared when I was with JV and we used to go to US, and a lot of US guys used to say, can you organize an internship program for my children in India? Because they understood that if you are not understood emerging market, you are sort of retired. Okay, because business is going to move to emerging countries. So that's a good news for you. अब bad news क्या है? Bad news ये है कि हमारी जनरेशन जो काम करके ग्रो हुई है, राइट, वो आज हाइजीन फैक्टर हो गया है. जब मैंने जॉब ज्वाइन किया था, the biggest positive point was loyalty to your boss. बॉस ने हाँ बोलो, आप हाँ बोल दो. बॉस पास में आके खड़े हो जाओ. बॉस घर नहीं गया, घर मत जाओ. Absolutely a star performance. Because क्या होता था? I don't want to name the companies, but monopoly थी. जो मैं गाड़ी बनाता था बिकती थी. कोई टेंशन नहीं है. So वो सब चलता था. So if you are loyal, if you come on time, if you go on time, if you go after the boss, if you eat after your boss, if you say yes sir, you are done, boss, promotion मिल जाएगा तेरे को. Unfortunately now that has completely gone out of window. Completely gone out of window. अगर कोई बंदा मेरे को 2 बार yes से बोलता है तो मेरे को डाउट होता है कि यार कोचा है बॉस, कुछ इसको आता जाता नहीं लगता कुछ. Seriously, we have distributed our time very, very clearly. Discussion mode, decision mode, and implementation mode. क्यों? Discussion mode में we want very hot discussion. We want challenging circumstances. We want to challenge each other, and not challenge each other without a stupid logic, with the right logic, and that's where you guys score big time. Because you guys are so fresh. तुम्हारे पास कोई bias ही नहीं है. तुम्हारा कोई baggage ही नहीं है. You come up with the awesome ideas, and I will tell based upon that what Mahendra is doing for all those things. That's a discussion mode. Then the decision mode. We try to practice that till last moment we are open for the decision. Because the right thing is not anything related to number of years of experience or the designation. That's a fact of life. We all oldies have realized it very hard way. Right? So we go into the decision mode. And once we go into the execution mode, there is no analysis paralysis. फिर वो गड्ढा है, कूदना है, उसके बाहर निकलना है, खत्म हो गई स्टोरी, right? So the most important piece of all these things has become innovation and creativity. Trust me, in future the businesses will only thrive on this. And we keep telling in Mahendra's, and we keep trying this, that this is the most important piece. And the good news is, for all of you guys, this only comes from the human beings. Even today, the computers are nowhere near our brain. And that's an aspect of human capital, and that's also the aspect of HR professional, because you need to create an atmosphere in the organization which really enables this innovation and creativity. So it's a big time. It's a big time, and I think it's a very important piece of innovation and creativity. So please look into those, right? ऐसा उल्टा पुल्टा innovation नहीं करना है कि just for sake of innovation. Do you know the difference between invention and innovation? Anyone? हाँ, थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में बता दें. It's good try. It's good try. हाँ, please यार. हार नहीं है, बोलना चालू करते हैं, कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
Inventing is creating something new, and innovation is doing things differently.
Not exactly. They are related. Invention से innovation आता है. Normally, invention is something new which you have created, but innovation when you create some commercial value for it, that becomes innovation. Right? Steve Jobs की story मालूम है ना? Pirates don't copy, they steal. आपको मालूम है माउस का कंसेप्ट किसने चालू किया था? Exactly. Where is Xerox today? मालूम ही नहीं है ना आपको, right? That's what Steve did. Pirates of the Silicon Valley देखा है? कितना देखा? आपको देखना चाहिए, जो बचे प्लीज देख लो. It's a very interesting movie. जब बिल गेट ने पहली बार सॉफ्टवेयर बेचा था, तो उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं था. He had nothing. He was just sitting on the desk for the discussion with IBM, and he had no idea कि IBM को DOS system चाहिए थी. And they were working, and Bill Gates said, yes, I have. और उसका पार्टनर था, कहाँ भी था? अरे बोले ढूंढता हूँ यार, अभी तो बोले हाँ तो बोल दूँ. रियल सरदार अप्रोच. कभी पंजाब में गए? अरे awesome place है, awesome place. पंजाब में जाओ, you will become inspired. आप कोई भी complicated काम लेके जाओ, क्यों हो जाएगा जी. कैसे करोगे? अभी सोचता हूँ. Right, that's a speak. So this was अपने सारे बिल गेट वही हैं. You know, that was Bill Gates. And like that story goes कि people ढूंढते हैं कि किसने this operating story system leaky. They find it out. They go to the guy and they said कि हम तुमको $50,000 देंगे. This is a drunk yard guy, एक गैराज में काम करता है, उसको समझ नहीं आता कि क्या बोल रहा है. $50,000 देगा मेरे को, because they take $1 million for this, and that's how the Bill Gates started. Right? So this is about human, this is about creativity, this is about innovation, this is about setting your own standards. Right? And that's why the innovation is extremely important going forward. Now go to the next. And hence, the human resource is highly strategic and highly top-driven. In today's world, there can't be anything more strategic than HR. There can't be anything. You know, एक लेवल के बाद में अगर आप ऑटो एक्सपो में भी जाते हो, तो आपके पास दो मोटिव होते हैं, दो. बताना मत किसी को, सबको मालूम है. You know, एक तो गाड़ियां देखते हैं, and second guess. This is too much. See, look at all these boys are smiling. सबको मालूम है, right? Now, the second is that we try to tap good people. We really genuinely try to tap the good people. Any seminars, any exhibition, you know, you see good people and you say, okay. Are you okay? What are you doing? Okay. Plant over do yaar, city se tera. You know, we instigate. And then we try to do that. So that's a basically rush for the human resource, and it is very, very strategic. Now, why it is strategic? You know, a very nice question you said, intent to learn. I mean, absolutely perfect question. I mean, please don't misunderstand me. But the question is कि what you should learn in the organization which will create a value for you in the organization is always important. हम बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम करते हैं, और महिंद्रा भी क्या करता है कि अगर बहुत ज़्यादा diagonally different है, तो we encourage them to start their businesses also, and they become our vendor. Like a guy who was great in branding, he started event management company and doing big business in Mahindra. एक हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छा किस्सा हुआ, like you know interns they come. So one intern came, Nidhi, and she was a typical Gujju girl, you know. So the business was in her DNA, and she was an intern, and she was fine arts. हमारा कोई relation नहीं था fine arts, right? But we said नहीं, we studied that right brain should develop, you know. So we should have some arts girl. तो वो आ गई, then she started saying, सर आप यहाँ बैठे हो तो यहाँ कलर कर देती हूँ, वहाँ पुराने पार्ट्स का कुछ एक ट्री बना दिया उसने, तो ऐसे she kept on doing. Then we really encouraged her to do business. We got her first order in Mahindra, and now she's doing an awesome business. She is based in Bombay, and she's doing a lots of jobs. We got a job from US for her. So like that we help. But if it comes to the core business of Mahindra, we definitely make sure that whatever is strategically to us, that only we spend. Like for example, if we want to develop new engines, which I will touch base upon it. So we spend a lot of money on developing the engine competence. Okay, but if we are not into ABC business, then we don't spend that. Even if you are interested, we might set you with the right place, but not too much money on it. Yeah, please. Yes, please. वो वैसे भी बोर हो गए मेरे को सुनते।
The intent behind asking this is, if you really spot a high potential individual, and you are not looking at what he is looking to learn, he will leave you one day.
Yeah, sure.
If you want to increase organizational commitment, look at what he wants and whether you can do it.
Absolutely.
Staying within the framework of the organization.
Yeah.
That's what I want.
No, you are absolutely right. And what I'm saying is that we actually encourage people to do what they really want to do, even if it means to leaving the organization. Because see, if you keep an unmotivated person in the company, you kill him and you kill the organization. You know. So अगर बंदा सुबह उठा है, बंदा है बंदी, तो he should have a desire to come to plant. So हमारी पूरी कोशिश ही ऐसी रहती है कि घर पे अच्छा नहीं लगना चाहिए। You know, we create such an atmosphere कि घर पे नहीं अच्छा लगे। You know, so this is the kind of thing we do, and this is absolutely top, you know. Nowadays, आपने CPO का नाम सुना है? Chief People's Officer. एक वो देवजीत पटनायक का कभी पढ़ा है? टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में आता है। वो he links mythology with the awesome guy. I got opportunity to listen to him in our Blue Chip. वो कहाँ काम करता है मालूम है आपको? उसका डेजिग्नेशन क्या मालूम है? Chief Belief Officer. Interesting, right? और उसने मेरे को स्टोरी सुनाई कि वो कैसे हुआ। तो he went बियानी, and बियानी जी को मालूम नहीं था कि क्या बोलना है इसको। तो बोले वो बोले क्या? Chief People Officer बोले नहीं, ये तो बहुत पुराना हो गया। तो बोले अच्छा मैं आपको एक वीक में बताऊंगा। Then he went and said कि Chief Belief Officer बोलो। तो हाँ अच्छा नाम है, Chief Belief Officer. So अब most of the company में क्या हो गया? Chief People Officer हो गया। You know, we have Chief People Officer Rajeshwar Tripathi. Terrific HR guy from XLR. So it is so much focus on the people. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is that it is absolutely top driven. You have a terrific opportunity if you are in HR because you will link somewhere with the top people and you will be very, very visible. But if you want to screw it up, that is in your hand. कि अगर committed ही नहीं हो, motivated ही नहीं हो, Valentine Day पे छुट्टी मना दी बिना बोले, तो फिर तो पंगा हो जाएगा. Okay, because expectation बड़ी कर गई है. Okay, so go to the next. Balance scorecard सुना है आपने? क्या होता है balance scorecard? सुना भाई वाले? Anybody है? क्या होता है balance scorecard? क्यों होता है भाई balance scorecard? कैप्टन को क्या हो गया like मतलब कैप्टन को never sat near the apple tree ना कि उसके सिर पे apple को गिरता होता है balance scorecard बनाऊंगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Why कैप्टन made a balance scorecard?
It is a key performance indicator.
Correct. But वो बनाया क्यों यार? क्यों उसको? Everything was ठीक, business सब सही चल रहे थे, क्यों उसको?
Measure the performance.
हाँ वो तो ठीक है ना, पर बहुत तरीके से P&L से मेजर कर लेते थे, बैलेंस शीट से मेजर कर लेते हैं. बैलेंस क्यों बोलते हैं? स्कोर कार्ड तो समझ में आ गया कि स्कोर कार्ड तो फिर स्कोर होगा यार, राइट? मैं भी ऐसे जवाब देता ना, स्कोर तो कोई होगा. बैलेंस क्यों बोलते हैं? भाई कैसे बैलेंस? Any idea? Any clues? इसके कितने क्वाड्रेंट होते हैं? आपको कोर्स में था बैलेंस होगा? फिर भी जवाब नहीं आ रहा है, ये तो गड़बड़ है.
6 होते हैं.
नहीं 4 होते हैं. 6 मत करें, 4 तो मेरे को मालूम. नहीं 4 होते हैं. See the problem was that all businesses were focusing on पैसा, profit, loss. then suddenly realizes कि वो profit loss करते करते कंपनी गायब ही हो गई, कि इतना profit loss किया कि सारे आदमी भाग गए, right? So then they say this is not right, this is not right. So then Kaplan says कि what is the right sustainable formula for running the organization? So they decided कि boss profit से सबसे पहले है customer. If you don't take care of customer, then everything is gone. तो फिर सोचा कि कस्टमर को कैसे मेजर करें. So then they thought कि we should have 4 quadrants in our annual performance, so that our focus is on everything, and that's where the word balance comes from. So balance your focus, balance your scorecard. So first is customer. तो balance scorecard के top में सारे customer के lead indicators हैं. You know, lead indicators समझते हो? Lead lag. Lead मतलब हमको पहले मालूम पड़ जाता है. Like you know, पूना के अंदर गड्ढे होते हैं, अपन रोज निकलते तो अपना लीड इंडिकेटर रहता है कि वहाँ गड्ढा है यार, उधर मत जाएगा चले. Lag मतलब गड्ढे में टपक गए. It's a lag, you can't do anything. So all financial indicators are lag indicators. If you have a loss, you can't do anything shit about it because you have a loss now. So you need to develop a lead indicator जो पहले ही मालूम पड़ जाएंगे कि loss होने वाला है. Right? So that's how balance scorecard में आते हैं. So I will not take on balance scorecard, but I will tell you why I wrote it here. Because balance scorecard में सबसे नीचे 1/4 importance जो है business में human capability building पर. So what are the aspects of balance scorecard? Customer, then finance, important है, पैसा तो कमाना ही है, then internal process, and then human capability. Right? Because you know how the business works. Business basically works when your untangible assets converts your tangible assets. समझ में आया? What is untangible asset? Sorry? जोर से यार. Yeah, but organization में कौन सा intangible assets हैं? Largely people. That's right, people. So what is business is all about? Business में untangible assets converts into the assets, tangible assets. माल आता है, माल चेंज होता है, करता कौन है यार? बंदे करते हैं. वो untangible assets है. तो बैलेंस स्कोरकार्ड नीचे वाले में अनटेंजिबल एसेट्स को टेंजिबल एसेट्स में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना उसको मैप करता है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई ह्यूमन कैपेबिलिटी बिल्डिंग हैज बिकम एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट इन द ओवरऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन परफॉर्मेंस जो कि बोर्ड को प्रेजेंट होता है. आई हैव टू प्रेजेंट माय बैलेंस स्कोरकार्ड एवरी 6 मंथ टू द बोर्ड और उसके अंदर 25% इंपॉर्टेंस है कैपेबिलिटी बिल्डिंग में. और फिर उसके बहुत सारे हैं, जैसे निधि ने बहुत सारी चीजों को टच किया. There are lots and lots of things which we sort of pack it up. Okay, so human capital is important. So what I'm basically trying to say, human capital is important and capability building is important. And if you follow the profession of human resource, you have to take care of all these things. Look at it as your fellow colleague is a capital, and don't forget that you yourself has to be capital. Right? So keep earning and keep shining. Next please. अब मैं सिर्फ 2 चीजों को बात करूंगा because टाइम भी हो गया, आप लोग भी बोर हो गए हो. So I'll just pick two parts of the thing and I thought कि culture of competence building में मैं बहुत काम चल रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा काम चल रहा है and perhaps something you will relate to. Now competence building में जैसे बताया competence, you know, we get all great engineers, you know, we go to the best institutes and all those things, and then we observe कि या तो analysis paralysis हो रहा है because everyone is bright, everyone is sharp, everyone has studied the mechanical engineer, auto engineer and everything. वो discussion नहीं चल रहा है, वो results नहीं आते, root causing ही नहीं होती. That is number 1. Second क्या problem आई कि पढ़ा तो सब है, but we don't know कि this engine में कितने parts लगते हैं. Suppose if the engine is not running well, no one can do anything, even if you are a qualified engineer. It's a fact of life, unfortunately today. You know, I can guarantee, अगर आपका कोई मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, ऑटोमोटिव इंजीनियर फ्रेंड होगा, आपकी गाड़ी में बैठा होगा, 2 व्हीलर 4 व्हीलर, कभी खराब कर देना उसके सामने. Then you will remember me, I was right. I am a mechanical engineer, I know it is. It won't work. So what we focus on very hard functional domain, okay? And the second is culture, which is the overarching thing. Can you go to the next slide? So functional domain, I will talk on functional domain because soft skills में बहुत बात हो गई. नहीं सब लोगों ने आगे बोला था लीडर्स कैसे डेवलप करते हैं, राइट? लेकिन मैं तुमको बता रहा हूँ कि अगर मशीनरी खराब हो जाएगी, प्लांट खराब हो जाएगा, तो ठीक कौन करेगा, राइट? You need competence for that. So we took that initiative and we had a very rigorous training program, and we said to everyone, whosoever was technical and whosoever is not technical, they are also in the line, because there are a lot of people very keen to know now after seeing success of that thing. And we said we are an engine making company, okay? So we should understand the engine and we must breathe engines. So we gave a surprise test to all our engineers and they were shit scared. So we developed a paper. We contacted 5 consultants who have really worked with the hands on multiple companies. We got them, we got all suppliers. We made a surprise test and we took a dipstick study. कि कौन कहाँ पे है? You know, then we did a segregation and then we grouped it into the similar scores. Okay, so everyone was taken by surprise, and then I had to take a meeting personally. That guys, don't get scared. This is something very long term. I'm not saying that you are not good, so tomorrow mat aana or your promotion will not happen. Nothing of that sort. Then we gave them the literature before the course started, and then they went to the 7 days program. And after 7 days program, there were half a day practical test. And practical test was real practical test. You know, the hot engine running on our dynamiters, we spoiled it and we said correct it and come back. No help. You know, then they understood how to put a spanner around the hot engine. And I tell you, it became such a big success that we said that only till assistant manager levels will go, and our senior managers, everyone jumping. Nahi, humko to karna hi ye course. We have to go through this course. So we repeated 3 times. And then we took an exam. And we said we are not in a hurry in passing you. If you don't know, you will be failed. And they failed. We had only 40% people passing. And now we are repeating the exam. You know. But suddenly what has happened is that our discussions in the organizations has improved drastically. You know, the people started understanding, people started talking. So our time, our cost for the correction has reduced down. So this is a typical example of functional domain, and Mahindra is now working on a Mahindra University in which there will be academies like manufacturing, quality, design and stuff like that. So it has been taking at a very, very different level, which you guys will know. Soft skill, of course, a lot of things I've talked about, so I will not touch upon that. Go to the next. Culture. This is also another very interesting word. Culture ठीक नहीं है. What is culture? Anyone can say what is culture? पंजाब के अंदर थोड़ी देर बात करोगे वो मार देगा पकड़ के, दिमाग खराब कर रहा है यार, राइट? पुणे में जाओगे तो एनालिसिस पहले चलेगा, आता अपन लगा तो सर नहीं पण तुम्ही फोकस मोडला, नहीं पण तुम्ही या तिकडे असं आहे ना, चलता रहेगा. That is the culture of a place. Right? So what is culture? What is culture? You said organization culture is extremely important. Trust me, extremely important. And Mahindra is doing tons and tons of work on the culture building. So what is culture? Quickly. Anything to it. Your value is one, but what is culture? Okay, beliefs, yes. कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? मैं तो मुंह से गाली दे रहा हूँ, मेरे बिलीफ कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा मुझे? तो पंकज के पास जाओ तो 2 मिनट में उड़ा था, नहीं? तो कैसे हो? Anything? थक गए? हाँ प्लीज यार, हाथ नहीं खड़ा करना, बोलना सीधे यार.
It is the way in which people in the organization work.
Extremely good, very good. You are very close to it, very, very close to it.
So with the behavior of people working in an
Absolutely,
area.
it is the response to the stimulus. You know, in a group, in a mass. You know, again, choose Japan की story. I don't know how they created culture for the whole country. We were walking, and पीछे से थोड़ा चलने के बाद, वो तो पाथ पे हॉस्टल में वॉकिंग, पीछे से थोड़ा सा पाथ वे पे ऐसी एक साइकिल की आवाज है, तो मैंने पीछे पलट के देखा, तो there was a small kid who was just coming behind me without even putting that bell, तो धीरे धीरे आ रहा था. हमारे यहाँ भी सोच सकता बच्चा मेरे पीछे धीरे धीरे आएगा, बोलेगा हटो जी, नहीं या घंटी बजा देगा या टांग पे मार देगा. जापान के अंदर अगर 2 लोग आ गए एक सीट के ऊपर तो कोई भी नहीं बैठेगा. I have seen night 11:30 on a red light. The vehicle stops with its screeching brakes because there's a red light and there's no other vehicle in the vicinity. हमारे यहाँ तो यार vicinity में गाड़ियाँ भी red light पे. It's a very interesting story. Like सब जगह से रेड हो गया तो पुलिस वाला मेरे को बोला जा तुम्हें जाग का है, लाल लाइट है. You know, so this is the Japan has made a culture that people will not blow horn. That small kid was just cycling behind us. Then we said, sir, sorry, करके निकल. छोटू सा बंदा यार, बात भी नहीं करते आती थी. You know, so what is culture? So how they created this culture? So there is a simple definition जो Mahindra में use होती है, you know, Prince has created this all. Sir's classmate is there with us, so you know. So just see what is the culture. Culture is tact. Simple definition, सबको समझ में आती है Mahindra में. Tact. What is tact? The way people think, right? The way people act, and the way people behave. So any stimulus you give, yeah, नहीं, मजा नहीं आया? नहीं change कर देते हैं उसको बड़ी बात. हाँ, तो computer है. Okay. So tact. This is a simple culture. यहाँ तक तो बढ़िया चल रहा है. How do you create that? How do you say that you have 5,000, 6,000 people, and for one single stimulus you will fairly behave similar? That's HR. Isn't it interesting? जब तुम ये सोचोगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि HR के अलावा बिजनेस में कुछ है ही नहीं यार. HR ठीक कर लो, बिजनेस ठीक हो जाएगा. That's a fact of life. It's a fact of life. HR is a very basic building block, and now industry understands it. Okay? So just next slide, how we build a culture. Any thoughts how do you build a culture quickly? नहीं, वैसे कल्चर ही बहुत मुश्किल था यार. How do you build a culture? अभी पूछेंगे, अपने 4 सवाल और पूछ लोगे. हाँ, please, great यार.
Stories, language.
Wow. यार, honestly ये बता कि मेरा presentation नहीं देखा? Sorry? Sir, you have a tough job on hand. It is. I was about to tell you, Shubha को तो नहीं जानते आप ये. Slide चलेंगे. Okay, fine. So I take anything else? Any other cases? No? चलो, next बताइए तो. He is your classmate? He is your classmate? No? हाँ, junior है, तभी दादागिरी चल रही है. Okay. Actually, how to build a culture is language, stories, symbols, and rituals. You must have a common language across. You know, जो सबको समझ में आए. Like we say, artery violation नहीं होना चाहिए. Respect, regard. You know, women should not be insulted. Right? All those things. So the common language होना चाहिए. I will show you what is common language of Mahindra. I will show that also. Then there should be common symbols. You know, all this. How the humanity developed in the earth uses lots of symbols. Why? वो Da Vinci Code पढ़ी थी? How many of you read Da Vinci Code? Da Vinci Code तो सबने पढ़ा था. Good. You know, symbol, codes, right? So symbols are important. Stories are extremely important. How do you reinforce? How do you encourage the behavior? You know, you need a reinforcement. You need a stories. So I will tell you what Mahindra does. So you need to listen to stories, you know, Shivaji ke stories hum sunte, we get inspired. All great leaders, we get stories, we get inspired. So you need stories to build a culture. Then kya hota hai, our mind, our people start behaving in a similar fashion. And then the rituals. The rituals are also very important. You know, in every religion there are some rituals. Why? Because it forms some culture. सुबह उठोगे, पूजा करोगे, ये करोगे, वो करोगे, all those things. So these are the rituals are very important. And then the whole mass slowly start behaving in a similar fashion to the external stimulus or internal stimulus. That's the way you build a culture. And culture ऐसा नहीं होता कि आज चालू किया इस क्वार्टर में रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा. It doesn't happen. It takes years and years. It needs reinforcement. It's a consistent, work. Go to the next. So how do we do it at Mahindra? Have you heard of Mahindra Rice? सुना होगा ना, काफी ads वगैरह आती रहती है. It's a huge thing. It's a huge thing in Mahindra. And the whole philosophy of building a culture is around rice, and we have 3 pillars. And why rice? It's very nicely picked up. That you have to rise in your life, you have to make others to rise in your life, okay? And hence the rise word. So now everything in Mahindra is around this. Can you go to the next? There are 3 pillars: accepting no limits, alternate thinking, and drive the positive change. Unfortunately, I don't have much time but we can explain on that some other time. So this is the house of Mahindra. Your core values, and everything we do, we say we will not accept any limit. Are we alternately thinking? Innovation. You know, are you bringing up positive change? And this positive change is a huge thing for Mahindra, all Mahindra guys, because this is not only in your life, it is not only your team, it is not only your company, but it is in your society. So what we do is we have huge awards for all three pillars. Full year the work keeps on going on. Then every year they publish a book, RISE book, which is a phenomenal book which is kept on all our receptions and coffee tables, where you have the photograph of the people who have done the RISE stories, and they are put there, what they have done. And you know, even the stories like this, that someone has saved some child in some jungle or something, or someone has done like this, Mahindra employee, all those RISE stories also come into that. So it's a huge thing. We have a lot of rituals around it. It keeps on going on every week, every month, every 6 months, and that's how we are trying to build a culture of RISE in all around Mahindra. So every company has different culture. The Google has different, the Facebook has different. So this is how the culture gets built. Right? Got some feel of it? HR guys? Now the good news is I have only 4 slides. Right? So hold with me. Great, next. This is most important. Do you understand Gen Y? अब सब तुम्हारे लिए. अभी तक सिर्फ मैंने जो prepare करके आया था तो मेरे को बोलना ही था, so I did it. Right? Now this is for you guys. What is Gen Y? You are Gen Y, yes, you are Gen Y.
Generation after 90s.
Yeah, ये सब वही लोग हैं जो Facebook नहीं होती तो suffocation हो जाता. You know, and good news for you guys is that we always understand it, and we know for sure that without you, we can't work, we can't have a breakthrough without you, and we just don't understand it. And so much of work is happening in most of the big and good companies on Gen Y. You know, Nidhi was telling few of things, Mahindra is doing so much of work. Young Mahindra fund sales, you know, what do you want? What we are giving the projects to them, you know. Anyone less than age of 35, we are saying that we will sponsor 3 projects in our company. So, all freedom, some money, do something, do your way. So the future is going to belong to you guys. Okay? You think differently, as Nidhi was saying, why should I look at the notes or write the note? मैं कान में podcast सुन रहा हूँ, right? Have you seen on a Facebook that there's a Japanese class and then the teacher says take notes? Have you seen that photograph? वो Facebook पे चल रहा है यार. I'm talking about Facebook. You are saying no? Facebook पे there's a photograph of a Japanese teacher and there are a lot of students, and they said these are take notes, and everyone is taking the mobile and taking the photograph of the you know. So the whole thing is changed. Something like that, right? So this is Gen Y, and a lot of work is happening on all Gen Y. So you are Gen Y. The future is yours, but it's not going to be so easy. Okay, because as I said, value needs to bring on table. So I thought, you know, huge potential, huge possibilities. We are doing a lot of work for Gen Ys, but it's not going to happen. Don't forget one line. I don't know whether I repeated last time, and I think this slides I have changed, but the message I would have repeated last time, because I think that is, I won't do my job if I don't give this next 3 slides to you. The statistics says that at one point of time, more than 170,000 MBAs graduate in the world. So you can imagine you are just no special. Okay? So how do you handle it? Right? Everything is great, but how do you handle it? So my next 3 slides are for you, from my core of my heart. Next page. 3 suggestions for you. 3 suggestions, right? Next, can you put? See, being a normal human being, you are superior. Okay? So have faith and confidence in yourself. You will make it. You will make it. Okay? Actually, honestly speaking, your looks, your clothes, your gadgets, nothing matters. Nothing matters. I've seen very simply clad, very non-charismatic looking people are doing a great job in their life. Okay? So don't get intimidated, don't get diverted. Just don't do that. And don't even once or 1 second in this suffer because I am not capable, that's why I cannot do it. I did not have the background, that's why I cannot do it. You know, this is all BS. You understand BS? Not bullshit. Okay? So this is my first thing that, and this is not me, this is the science saying, this is the statistics saying that, when people have done a lot of study on the brain, after the heart it's a ton of a brain, right? You know why? Because Americans had heart attack first, so the people worked on heart. So they had bypass, they had everything. Now they understood that heart is okay, but brain is also important. So now they started working on brain. That's the lots and lots of theories, lots and lots of theories of brain. But now people are deciphering it very well. And they have actually proved right from the Tiger Woods to the Mozart, it's not because they had talent, because there is no gene called talent. So these are all myth. My mother sings well, my father sings well, hence I am a singer. Your mother sings well, she is interested in music. Your father sings well, hence he is also interested in music. So when you are a kid, you got a good exposure and good training, that's why you sing well. Period. Okay? So please remember this, you are superior. You are superior, right? The next point, think big, plan big, and dream big. You know, don't compromise for yourself. You have to think big. You have to play a big role, you have to play a global role. Don't even think, maybe path is difficult, maybe it's going to take time. Maybe for time being you have started with a stupid company, it doesn't matter. Okay, but you have to see how you come out of that, you have to see how do you move towards your goal, you have to see how do you make use of every damn moment you got. Okay, so commit to yourself, this is your commitment to yourself, that you are gonna dream big. Okay, and the third point, which will definitely not like it, but that's the truth of the life. Third point is, work very hard to accomplish your dream. Okay, otherwise you are not going to make it. Okay, and the complete study, statistical study, Malcolm Gladwell says in every book which is becoming so famous that you have to work for 10,000 hours of deliberate practice. Do you understand what is deliberate practice? Anyone? Yeah, someone said yes. Don't get so much. अभी क्या हो गया? अभी तक तो ठीक चल रहा था, हंस रहे थे, suddenly hard work पे आ गया यार. So this was the game like. पहले हंसाऊंगा फिर hard work पे लाऊंगा. Deliberate practice, please.
If you are not willing to do, you are doing it. That
deliberate practice is slightly different. Okay, in search of time. See, deliberate practice is you are, and they say that you cannot do more than 2 hours of deliberate practice in a day. It is so tiring. Because you have to go to the level where you start failing. So sometimes you fail, sometimes you succeed, sometimes you fail, sometimes you succeed. And that practice you keep doing. Like मेरे को ये वाला प्रोग्रामिंग बहुत अच्छा आता है, मैं यही करता हूँ, खुश हो रहा हूँ कि रोज 8 घंटे पढ़ रहा हूँ. It's not going to help you guys in any of your field. So you have to go where you start failing again and practice. Then it becomes good, you go again up. So that you keep doing, and if you do that, trust me, you all have potential to become a global master in any subject you decide. Forget about, even if today you decide computer science or mechanical engineering, you can do it. Period. Peter Drucker का नाम सुना? Every 5 years he used to master one subject. Every 5 years. You know, and as Jim Collins says in his speech, that they have lined up Peter Drucker's all work, and 2/3 of the work was after age of 65. And he used to say, I'm just learning. And whenever anyone is to ask him, Peter, which is your best book? It's still coming. You know? So that was it. And I thought these 3 points are important for you guys to move forward. Best wishes, and thank you very much for bearing with me.